Hello students and viewers, welcome back to Science Capsule, a perfect self-learning tool for school children. In today's video, we will be discussing about one of the most important topic, that is water of crystallization. So in the previous video, we have seen preparation properties and uses of washing soda, baking soda and bleaching powder, very important chemical substances obtained from common salt. Separate videos have already been uploaded in this channel. If you have not watched those videos, then you will find it in the I button, and I'll also provide in the description. From there you can click and watch those videos and learn about the preparation properties and uses of those chemicals. So today's video is all about knowing water of crystallization. Let us get into today's topic. Let us understand this water of crystallization by taking one simple example. We are very much familiar with the copper sulfate. The color of copper sulfate is blue in color. As you can see on the screen, the blue color copper sulfate you must have seen in your lab. And this copper sulfate solution is blue in color, and we usually write the molecular formula of copper sulfate as CuSO4. But the blue crystals of copper sulfate, the molecular formula of this crystal is not CuSO4. Here the molecular formula is CuSO4 dot 5H2O. Here dot 5H2O is water of crystallization. So dear students, let us understand water of crystallization by taking an example of copper sulfate. As you can see over here, this is copper sulfate crystal, and blue color crystal is due to the presence of water of crystallization. Here dot 5H2O indicates it is the water of crystallization. What does this water of crystallization means? This water of crystallization is the certain amount of water molecules get into each formula unit of copper sulfate. Here in this copper sulfate crystals, the blue color is imparted by the presence of water of crystallization. Presence of water of crystallization in the salt will not make the salt wet. So as you can see here, I am touching this crystals and you can see it is absolutely dry. You see here there is no wetness in the salt, which means the presence of water of crystallization in the salt does not make it wet, but it imparts color or some other physical characteristics. Presence of water of crystallization in the crystals just only changes the physical properties, but it does not alter any of the chemical properties of the salt. And we know that when water is heated, it evaporates. So here we have learned that the blue color is due to water of crystallization. If we heat this crystal, what will happen? The water molecules present in each formula unit will escape and the blue color disappears. Let us check it by doing an activity. Let me take a few crystals of copper sulfate. So from here I am taking some crystals, I am heating it. We know that when it is heated, as you can see, the blue color will start disappearing. When the copper sulfate crystal is heated, then what happens? The water molecules present in each unit of copper sulfate will escape. The blue color copper sulfate is known as hydrated copper sulfate, and its formula will be CuSO4 dot 5H2O. And here you can see the entire crystal becomes white now. This is called anhydrous copper sulfate, and its formula is CuSO4. Here dot 5H2O we should not write. So this is the difference between hydrated copper sulfate and anhydrous copper sulfate. Hydrated copper sulfate means which appears blue in color because of water of crystallization. Anhydrous means white crystals of copper sulfate. As you can see, now the most of the water molecules gone off. So this is how we can understand water of crystallization. Now the question is, what will happen if we add water in the crystals? Now let us check that also. Now let us understand, if I add water in it, once again blue color reappears. See here, when I add water, certain number of water molecules will be absorbed by the formula unit. As you can see here, again the crystal appears blue in color. Now as you can see, as soon as I added water, the blue color reappears, which means when water is added, certain amount of water molecules go into each formula unit of copper sulfate, which is responsible for imparting blue color. So once it is heated, the water molecules go off, thereby making the crystal colorless, that is white. If water is added, only certain amount of water molecules that gets absorbed in each formula unit. So the amount of water molecules which is present in a crystal or in a salt is what we call water of crystallization. So this is all about water of crystallization. There are many other chemicals exist which contain water of crystallization that we will discuss in the next video. That's all we have in today's video. Hope you found this video useful. If so, hit the like button and share as much as possible to your friends. And if not subscribe this channel, then subscribe this channel and press bell icon so that you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel. So in the next video, we will be seeing another chemical substance which has got water of crystallization. It is plaster of Paris. Yes children, in the next video we are going to learn about the preparation properties and various uses of plaster of Paris. So till then, take good care of yourself. Bye.